Turning now to other news, big problems at a PennDOT driver license center in Mifflin County. It is now closed for extensive repairs after this past weekend storms. Mallory Messner joins us live at the Lewistown Center with the latest. Good afternoon to you, Mallory.
Good afternoon, James. The entire roof of the Lewistown Driver License Center here behind me, we're on Ferguson Valley Road, it's being replaced and repairs are being made inside as well. PennDOT says anyone who had a scheduled driving exam at the Lewistown Driver License Center will be contacted and offered the same exam date and time at the Huntington Driver License Center. The Huntington Driver License Center on William Penn Highway is expanding its hours to 8:30 a.m. to 4:15 p.m. Tuesday through Saturday. We've already seen several people pull up to this location only to realize that it's closed.
I was coming here and I discovered that it was blocked, and I just turned around to come back and I yelled over to you and said, "Are they closed today?" And you said yes. My wife was just here last week. I said to Beth, "Oh my goodness, it's a good thing you got in there when you did, or you'd have had a mess." So.
Repairs are expected to take about a week. This location behind me is scheduled to reopen next Tuesday, March 25th, James.
Definitely an inconvenience, Mallory, but I will have to say that, it's good that you were there, and I would have helped that man, let him know that the place is closed.
Yeah, we've been telling a lot of people driving by when we see them start to turn around that the building is closed and that PennDOT's telling them to go to the Huntington location instead right now.